Okay, and the last video is writing equations or inequalities. This first one has shading, so we know it's an inequality, and they're both linear, so those are easier. We're going to start with the blue one right here. This blue one, we notice we need a slope and the y-intercept. So I follow it, and I can find my slope is positive because the line is increasing. I'm going to write y. I'm going to leave a space. It is 2 up, 3 over, so the slope is 2/3, followed by your x. The y-intercept is where it crosses the y-axis, so that's 2. And then I just find my y-intercept, and it's shaded blue, so I'm questioning, is that above or below? This happens to be below the y-intercept, so that's a less than. The line is dashed, so no equal to. That's it. The other line I'm going to do, I should have color-coded this, but sorry. This pink one right here, again, I need a y-intercept, which is down here, and I need a slope. I find another point where it crosses the grid. So this line is increasing as well, so the slope is positive. You want to pay attention to that. The slope is 2 up over 1, so the slope is 2. That's an x next to it. That slope goes in front of the x. And then it is a y-intercept of -2. Here's the y-intercept. The pink is not shaded above, but below, so that is also less than. This is a solid line, so it's going to be equal to. All right, so that's the system for this graph. And again, you can pause it, look at it, think about what I said, go back and replay if you need to. Here is another system. You can see I have a line and a parabola. Let's start with the line. The line is in blue. I'll color code this time. So we have y. Here is my y-intercept. And I'm finding another point that the line crosses on the grid. It's right there. Leave a little space. I had to go up 1, 2, 3 over 2. And this has a positive slope because the line is increasing. The y-intercept is -2, so it's a -2. Here is my y-intercept. The blue is shaded above my y-intercept, so that's going to be greater than. It's a dashed line, so no equal to. All right, the pink parabola has a vertex here. This vertex shifted over to the right 2, so we show that by x -2. It's the opposite inside parentheses, and then squaring. And then it went up 5, so that's a +5 here. In addition, this parabola is opening down, so it means it's a reflection. And then we just need to figure out if it's less than or greater than. Here's my vertex. It's shaded below my vertex. Below my vertex is less than, and it's a solid line, so it's and equal to, or equal to, less than or equal to. All right, that is all you have to do there. So watch the videos, slow them down, look at it again, think about it. Pause, use the pause. All right, and really, I'm spending a lot of time on this. You guys need to spend some time too. Thank you.